up and show out on 3. 1, 2, 3. Show out, show out. Turn up. Let's go. Let's go.
Hall fields at the 3. He looks to his left at the 10. He's outside the 20. Hall to the 30. He's to the 40. To midfield. Steps up in the pocket. Now he's off and running. Looks over the middle. Oh, this is picked off. It's intercepted. Running back with it is Braden Smith. There's that takeaway the Cowboys needed. Rolling right. Chambers still has it to the 5. He dives for the pylon. He's in. Touchdown, Cowboys. But Jensen, pulled it back and then drops it. Let's see, that ball is loose. No, it's going to be Cowboy football. Out of the gun, Chambers takes the snap. He's looking downfield. He's got a man. This is going to be caught. It's Gunnar Gentry with the catch. Snap is back. The kick is away. And it is good. Jensen, this is picked off, and it's going back the other way. It's picked off by Hall. Hall's going to take it the distance. Touchdown, Cowboys. Down he goes, back at the 42-yard line. Mario Mora. This is, it's caught inside the 5-yard line. What a catch. Jackson Marcotte. Wow, what a play. Cooper Robb, he will just slam this one right through the uprights. It's good. Jensen steps up, takes a hit, and then he throws it away. He's going to be sacked. Back inside the 10-yard line, Garrett Kroll. And the Cowboys have moved to 2-0.
To the road to get to 3-0, you know what I'm saying? Let's get right, man. Bro, WYO-Wyoming Cowboys, man. Let's get it.